When we think of rubber, we think of all the little and big places it finds its use in. Centuries ago, an unassuming sap from a South American tropical tree found its way into human lives and economies around the world, and into Kerala. Well, this is the story of a quiet rubber giant working its way up as a leading manufacturer and exporter of rubber mats worldwide, Vikas Rubbers. With world-class equipment and premium quality tools, the factory is built to handle quality and scale. Every employee is inducted and trained to operate heavy-duty machinery with care and skill while being continually guided through production every step of the way. Each stage of production is strategically positioned in the factory premises and scheduled to achieve a seamless flow in the making of the many different types of rubber mats that Vikas is known for. Vikas Rubbers has long worked to integrate exceptional features into the product: interlocking extensions, shock absorption, load-bearing capacity, anti-fatigue, and anti-slip properties. This is why these odor-free, oil and dust-resistant mats are widely chosen for flooring in industries, commercial spaces, schools, gyms, farms, and stables. It all started in 1977 when CM Ipe set out to change how the abundance and the versatility of homegrown rubber from here in Kottayam is seen and experienced around the world. What started out as a humble rubber band manufacturing venture is now a global name. Today, 46 years later, Vikas Rubbers has grown into a business that embraces the new. The material is tested and checked for its capabilities at every stage of manufacturing. The rubber's endurance, tensility, and abrasion are recorded and reviewed by an in-house team of experts. As a customer-centric business, Vikas is able to meet market demands reliably by constantly iterating and improvising the approach to design, production, shipping, sales, and marketing. The main factory is flanked by two large warehouses that house the enormous daily inventory. This offers the company the flexibility to deliver orders in a timely manner. The factory includes two production plants, one of which is dedicated to large-scale manufacturing of colored rubber mats, while the other is for black mats as small as 1 foot by 2 feet to 3 feet by 30 feet rolls of rubberized carpet mats. The responsibility does not stop with the making. It is extended to packing every order, checking every stack, and shipping the products to clients worldwide. With customers and partners across the country and around the world, the company believes in investing in customer support, inspiring transparency in business. A dedicated online portal allows the client to track, access and download shipment and order-related information. With contract manufacturing facilities in Choice Rubber Products in Cochin, Vakkaparambil Rubbers and GK Rubbers in Kottayam, Vikas caters to the international flooring market dexterously. These collaborative efforts promote mutual growth and enable a daily production capacity of 26 tons of rubber mats. At the heart of everything we do lies the dedication of every single employee here. To Vikas, people matter. Their efforts do. Every design, every cut, every ream and roll speaks of our expertise. This is our promise. As the good old poem goes, we have miles to go before we sleep.
This is a 46-year-old legacy, and we are just getting started.